Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be frying the chicken today in the African way. So this is my fried chicken. I already seasoned my chicken like almost 2 hours ago. But I'm gonna show you guys what I use, okay? I use chicken season. This chicken season is very cheap but very tasty. I love cooking with it all the time. And this is my onions, some powder. This is very good. I use some onions powder too. And I use some black pepper. And I use some ginger powder. The best thing is either if you got like a fresh ginger, that's even better. But I forgot I did not buy no fresh ginger, so I got a ginger powder. So I did that, and I used some yellow mustard. So those the season I used to season my chicken. I seasoned my chicken and I put in the fridge for 2 hours. Because if you do that right, the difference is if you season your chicken early and you put it in the fridge, the season gonna taste much better than if you season and fry it straight up, okay? In my own opinion, that's what I'm thinking, okay? And I got onions too. I already cut the onions. I got two kind of onions. This, I'm gonna blend these onions because I'm gonna make a pasta too. So these onions for the pasta, I'm gonna blend this. And this is the cut onions for the I already cut these two onions. This other one for gonna be for the chicken, and this is for the pasta. And this is dry pepper. Spanish people call, I think, chili. So I'm gonna use the chili for my pasta. So it's dry, so I just put in water to soak it, and I need that. So I already seasoned my chicken, and those same season I show you guys, I'm gonna use the same season to season my my onions, okay? So let's start seasoning my onion. The same way I season my onions right now, this is the same way I season my how you call it, chicken. So I'm putting some yellow mustard to the chicken, to the onions. So that's enough. And I'm gonna use my chicken season. That's enough. And my onion season too. That's the onion powder season. It's not that much, so I'm gonna use all of it. It's finished inside. So that's enough. And my black pepper. This is the same way I season my chicken, okay? Like same way. So this is a black pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix those two and let it sit down, okay? Because if you season the food right, let it sit down, will taste much better than if you just season it. So this is the other sauce I was talking about. This is the green pepper and the onions and the chili. The chili the dry chili. I put in the water to soak it because you need to do that. If you don't do that, it will be too dry. Okay, so this is the sauce I was blending right now. I just finished blending those sauce. This is gonna be for the pasta, and this is the onions. I already put all the seasoning to it and mix it. And this is my chicken. It's ready seasoned. And this is the oil is almost hot. So let's start frying, okay, the chicken. All right. So I'm gonna start frying the chicken. So I'm gonna put the first batch. Ready? It's nice and goldy, like the way I want it, like this. So I'm gonna fry this whole thing like this. You need to make sure the chicken is nice and golden. So I'm gonna remove it, put it in the clean bowl, and I'm gonna add the rest of the chicken to it. Okay, I just finished frying the chicken. So this is the chicken. The chicken oil is nice and golden. You're supposed to fry it nice and golden like this. So I changed the pot to a bigger pot because I'm making a bigger food right now. So I'm gonna take the onions, like the white season, already seasoned the onions, and I'm gonna put the onions now to the oil because this oil is cooked oil already, so I don't need to wait till it's nice, like to be hot. So I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna mix my onions. I'm gonna taste if it's nice and seasoned like the way I want it. If it's not, I'm gonna put some add some Maggi. Like the way I always tell you guys, when you guys cooking, make sure the food is nice and tasty. Because the food is not tasty, trust me, your food will not taste good. The secret about cooking is about the taste, okay? Season your food very well, but don't over season it. Because if you over season it too, it will not cook. It will not taste right, it will be too salty, okay? So I'm gonna fry this. After frying, I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to it. Sorry about that, okay? My husband was talking to me, I just responded to that. So I'm just gonna add a little water, okay? And I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna taste it. If it don't taste like the way I want it with all that seasoning I put on it, so I'm gonna put some Maggi to it, okay? Okay, now the onions is cooked already, so it's time to add the chicken to it. Mix it. That's how you do. You mix the chicken. This is very tasty like this. I'm gonna let her fry with it for 2 minutes. So the chicken will have the flavor of the onions, because the onions got a lot of flavor to it. I love this chicken like this for real. This chicken, you can eat on rice like this. It tastes very good. If you do it very well, like if you make lafidi, you can put this on top of lafidi and it tastes very good. Sometimes I do it. Sometimes I cook lafidi and put this on top of lafidi. Very tasty. So my chicken is cooked already done, and I'm starting doing the pasta. I already put the water to it, and I'm gonna boil the water, and I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it too, like a cooking oil. I'm gonna take a spoon and just put like a big tablespoon of oil to the water, and put a little bit of salt to it, and I'm gonna start boiling the pasta. Okay, so my chicken is finished. I'm gonna make the pasta sauce. I'm gonna remove this out of the pot. I'm gonna have some extra oil under the pot, so I'm gonna use that same oil because that oil got a lot of seasoning to it. So I'm gonna, so this is the sauce I blend before, so I'm gonna add it to it. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I already remove all the chicken out of the oil, so now it's time to add the pasta sauce to in there. So now it's time to make the pasta. So this is the sauce for the pasta. So I'm gonna rinse I'm gonna put a little bit of water to it. I'm boiling the pasta like the way I say it to you guys. The water is almost boiling. This got a lot to it. I'm gonna rinse it a little bit and put a little bit of water to it, and then pour it in the sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna add the Maggi to it. I'm gonna add 2 Maggi first, and I'm gonna add some of those seasoning. The first season I showed you guys before, I'm gonna add a little bit of those seasoning. You can add any kind of seasoning you have home, okay? It's not by force like you need to use the same kind of seasoning I have. No, you can use any kind of seasoning you have in the house. That's fine. I'm gonna add 2 Maggi. I'm gonna add those 2 Maggi. This is the pasta I'm gonna be making. This is the first time making this pasta. It's a big pasta. So I'm gonna try those pasta. I buy those pasta from Italian pasta. I buy those from Walmart. You can go to Walmart and look for it. The Super Walmart. I went there and buy like a 3 of it because I need 3. I'm making a lot of food today, so I'm gonna mix those, and after when the pasta is ready, I'm gonna put this pasta inside this sauce. Okay, this sauce you need to put a good amount of seasoning. You make sure your sauce is tasty, because this sauce is the one you're gonna put the pasta in. You need to make sure you season this very good. So I'm gonna add my 1 Maggi and add all my seasoning to it. I'm gonna start cooking the pasta. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil to it because it's boiling. I'm gonna cook my pasta. So this is the pasta sauce. The sauce is ready, so it's time to put the pasta too. The pasta is ready too. So I'm gonna remove the pasta and bring it here. So I'm gonna drain it and put it here. I'm just gonna show you guys I'm draining it. So let me do that, and then after I'm gonna show you guys later, okay? Because I'm doing it with one hand, it's gonna be hard for me to do both. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna mix it. So if you mix it, you're gonna add some more seasoning to it. That's the final product. You're just gonna add seasoning to it and make sure it's nice and tasty, like the way you want it. Okay, that's it. You see? That's the final product. And this is my chicken. So that's the chicken, and I'm gonna put the pasta on the side. Thank you for watching our cuisine, and see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm gonna make, and love you guys so much. Okay. Mwah.